Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily download Zoom application in your Windows or computer. So if you want to conduct an online meeting, a web conference with your colleagues, or an online class if you're a student, then there is it's instant that you must or you need to install your Zoom application. Now, how to do that? Visit any of your favorite browser and then here you need to type Zoom app. Okay, once done, just have to enter, then you'll be redirected here at this new window. Okay, so here you can see three options. It goes with download 64-bit, download 32-bit, and download ARM64. It depends on your computer. And if your computer is in 64-bit, then you can go with this. And if it is in 32-bit, then you can go with this second one. And if you are in ARM64, then you can do go with this third option. So in my case, my computer is in 64-bit, then I'm going to this first option. And the moment you click that, you will be able to redirect it here. You'll be redirected here at the download icons. And now you can see that it is now starting to download. Okay, just have to wait until this installation is done. Okay. So about the Zoom application, it is one of the most trusted web conferencing software application that any laptop user could use. You can also download this in the App Store or Google Play when you have an Android application or phone. Okay? So just have to wait until this is done. Okay, so once it marks here done, just double tap to open the application. And you just have to wait until you are being redirected to the application itself. Okay, it is now starting to initialize. You can also click this. Okay, so if I'll minimize this and go with this one, you can see here, if you click this, you can see that the Zoom Workplace is now starting to initialize and download. Okay, so you're almost there. It is now installing. Okay, let's wait for a while first. So let's say if the process takes load, you can simply search Zoom here at the bottom search bar. Just simply type Zoom and click on open to continue. Okay. Here it has this three options. You can join a meeting instantly. As I have said earlier, you can sign up your account and you can sign up to create an account, sorry for that, and you can sign in your account. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully you learned something from this video. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Enjoy using your Zoom application with your colleagues, with your classmates, or whatever purpose you want it to use to be. Okay, so hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day and take care everyone.